Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Chrome default browser on Android. If you are tired of using the default browser and want to enjoy the seamless experience that Chrome offers, stick around as we guide you through the process. To make Google Chrome default browser in your Android phone, open mobile settings by tapping on the settings icon. Once you are in the settings, scroll down and look for apps or applications option. The exact wording may vary depending on your device, but it's typically in the same settings menu. So tap on apps. Now tap on choose default apps. This is where you can set your default browser and other default applications. Here tap on the browser app to see a list of available browser on your device. You can see Samsung Internet is selected as default browser app. Select Google Chrome from the list. So tap on Chrome option. This will set Chrome as your default browser. So you have successfully set Google Chrome as your default browser on Android. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Android guides.